Tired of feeling like your money is slipping through your fingers? Do you dream of effortlessly tracking your expenses, canceling unwanted subscriptions, and finally taking control of your finances? You're not alone. Millions of people are looking for ways to simplify their financial lives, and Rocket Money has emerged as a popular tool to help. But here's the burning question: is there a free version of Rocket Money? Let's dive in and explore the different ways you can experience Rocket Money and find out if you can truly harness its power without paying a dime. Explain what Rocket Money does. For those unfamiliar, Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help users understand and manage their spending. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically track your expenses, identify recurring subscriptions, and even negotiate lower bills on your behalf. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is there a free version of Rocket Money? Unfortunately, there's no completely free version of Rocket Money in the traditional sense. You won't have full access to all of its features without subscribing. However, Rocket Money does offer a free trial. This trial period allows you to test out the app's core features and see if it's a good fit for your financial needs. Limited functionality. While the free trial provides a taste of Rocket Money's capabilities, it often has limitations. You might encounter restrictions on the number of accounts you can connect, the number of subscriptions you can cancel, or the level of bill negotiation support. Time constraints. The free trial typically has a limited duration, such as 7 days or 14 days. This may not be enough time to fully explore the app's features and experience its full potential. Discuss alternative options, free alternatives, and limited free features. While a completely free version might not exist, there are a few ways to experience some of Rocket Money's benefits without paying. Explore free alternatives. Several other personal finance apps offer similar features to Rocket Money, often with free versions or more generous free tiers. Some popular alternatives include Personal Capital, known for its robust portfolio tracking and investment advice. Mint, a well-established app that provides comprehensive budgeting, bill tracking, and credit score monitoring. Fudget, a simple and user-friendly budgeting app with a strong focus on visual tracking. Utilize limited free features. Even without a full subscription, Rocket Money might offer some limited free features. These could include basic expense tracking, basic subscription tracking, or access to a limited number of bill negotiation attempts. If you decide to try Rocket Money's free trial, here are some tips to make the most of it. Connect all relevant accounts, link as many bank accounts and credit cards as possible to get a comprehensive view of your spending. Explore all features. Take the time to explore all of the features offered during the trial, even those you might not initially think you will use. Utilize customer support. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, reach out to Rocket Money's customer support during the trial period. Cancel before the trial ends. If you decide that Rocket Money isn't the right fit for you, remember to cancel your trial before it expires to avoid being charged. Discuss the value proposition of a paid subscription. While a completely free version might not exist, consider the value proposition of a paid Rocket Money subscription. If you find that the app significantly helps you save money, reduce financial stress, and improve your overall financial health, the cost of a subscription might be well worth it. Improved bill negotiation. Paid subscribers often have access to more robust bill negotiation services, potentially resulting in significant savings on recurring bills like internet, phone, and cable. Enhanced features. Paid subscriptions typically unlock premium features such as advanced budgeting tools, investment tracking, and personalized financial advice. Priority support. Paid subscribers often receive priority customer support, ensuring quicker resolutions to any issues they may encounter. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to subscribe to Rocket Money depends on your individual financial needs and priorities. If you're looking for a free option, explore the free trial or consider alternative personal finance apps. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and are willing to invest in a tool that can help, Rocket Money might be a worthwhile investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.